Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with part 2 of the backyard fire pit slash grill build. And in this part 2, what I'm going to do, well, what I have done is actually mixed my concrete. I went ahead and poured it into the form, and you can see that it's right now there's a lot of water on the coming to the surface, which they call that the cream. And I'm gonna let that set and dry a little bit more before I start working it with my wooden trowel, because this is gonna take about maybe three passes. Usually when you make working concrete, the finished steps, that's what you want to do. Like the first part, you just go over, you get it somewhat leveled, and the cream comes to the top, dries, and then you come back and you redo it again. And the third time you do it, that's going to be your finish. Whether it's going to be rough, smooth by using a steel trowel, or a broom. You can brush, a broom over the top, and so that you'll have that kind of finish. Also, before I poured it, I went ahead and added some rebar reinforcement, only because I'm going to put some weight on here with those cinder blocks, and because the big tree that I have right there has got some roots that come down this way. So I took some 2-foot by 1/2 inch rebar, and one here, one in the middle, one in that corner, and then another piece here and another piece here, and I sunk them into the ground and only made sure that they were below the surface. That way it ties in this pad to the ground, so that to help alleviate shifting. Okay, and like I said, eventually I'm going to work on this, making this a whole patio. I'm going to put a footing going this way, one going that way, and then setting my patio stones there, and I'm going to tie in the footing, on this side, and then this side with some rebar in it. So that way it'll be more secure. But for right now, this is what I'm doing. Also, I forgot to mention in my last video, what I'm going to use to make my grate for the grill is this right here. I have some 3/8 inch by 24 rebar stock, and I'm going to use this 2-foot by 5-foot 1/2 inch 19 gauge chicken wire, cut to size, and this is going to go into the concrete. The rebar is going to go into the concrete permanently, and that's going to just be like the shelf that's going to sit on top, where I'm going to put my all my scrap pieces of branch and wood and whatnot. And it's going to be about like 8 inches off the ground, whatever the height of the first block is what where I'm going to put it. Okay, that way you have air coming in from the bottom feeding the fire, and that helps to make sure everything burns like it's supposed to. And that way there, if I need to in the future, what I can do is I can go up another brick level or two and drill some holes on the sides, install the rebar across, and then make another and use an actual what do you call it, grill plate or rack, if you will, to actually that you can cook hot dogs and hamburgers by way of just making a fire underneath. But anyway, so that video is probably going to be like part 3. Yeah, because I'm going to have to show you guys how I built the actual grill. So be on the lookout for part 3, 4, and possibly 5. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. And this is the update and part 2 of the fire pit slash grill build. Thanks. See you on the next one.